Hello everyone, welcome to Revit Architecture Mastery. I'm Ella who will be leading you through this course and I am truly happy and honored to have you here. In this first video, we are going to outline our journey throughout this course and I'm going to show you how you can make the most out of this learning experience. Our focus throughout this course will be specifically on learning Revit for architecture discipline. I've designed this course to take you step by step, starting from absolutely basics to gradually moving into more advanced topics. It's worth noting that this is not a project-based course, as focusing on a single project will limit your learning to that specific scenario. Instead, the goal here is to equip you with all of the skills and knowledge that you need to have to confidently handle any type of project, no matter their unique challenges. We begin as if you're opening Revit for the very first time. In initial chapters, we're going to focus on foundational rules and essential concepts you need to know before diving deeper. It's very important to have a solid grounding of these basics before we progress. In the next phase, we will have a different approach by combining a variety of tools. Instead of working on walls, roofs, floors, and other modeling softwares first, and then moving into settings and graphical options like annotation, dimension, schedules, or sheets, we are going to blend all of these together from the start. This will give you a clear understanding of the software and also will help you to understand how all of these works together. Also, it will give you a much enjoyable and engaging experience throughout this course, rather than being exciting at the beginning and boring at the end. As we move along, we will have quizzes and practices, and I highly encourage you to engage with them. They are designed to help you apply what you have learned and they will become gradually complicated and challenging. So I suggest not only watching the videos in order, but also practicing as much as you can. I'm going to share everything you need to know for mastering Revit architecture. If needed, I will re-record or adjust sessions to improve clarity. However, your dedication and diligence are what will ultimately drive your success. Whether your goal is to become an expert in Revit or just understanding the basics, the effort you put in will make all the difference. You need to know that there might be some times that you feel confused or overwhelmed with some topics. It's completely normal. Just rewatch and practice as much as you need. At the end, it's a whole new skill that you are trying to learn, and honestly, sometimes it could be so complicated. If you find any parts unclear or if you faced with any problem or had any question, feel free to reach out to our community or email me directly. Your feedback is also so welcome, so feel free to share your thoughts with us. Once again, thank you so much for being here. I am super excited to start this journey with you, and I wish you all the best of luck and success throughout and beyond this course. Now, let's get started.